Hey y'all, I got in a new toy today. I got in the TMNT Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant module. Yes, y'all, check that out. Um, yeah. Here's the box. There's the cover. There's the side. Mutant module. It's kind of cheap. Something I wanted back in the day. My cat is having some difficulty breathing. There, she's fine. Let's unseal this. Mutant module. Tiger's okay. Yeah. Unseal the sides. Box is going in the trash anyway. Yeah. Yes, y'all. Let's check that out. Mutant module. Oops. Here we got the back of it. Yeah. Some cardboard. Let's take out all these pieces. Got this instruction manual. We also got G.I. Joe, the Firefighter. Yes, that's pretty gnarly. Yeah. Firefighter, we'll open that up later. Mutant module. Let's assemble that. Yes, y'all. We got stickers here. Not so many as I thought. I watched the unboxing. Check this out. Some glass shields. Yes, y'all. Let's check that out. Got me a mutant module. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Check out the mutant module. And we got a cone. Got the cone and turning action. Got it. Got the thrusters. Apply stickers. I'm going to put that on last. Instructions got it this way. Got it. Got the gull wing. It's called gull wing hinged hatch. Got it. What else do we got here? Got floorboards. Got it. This comes off. Yes, sure. What else do we got here? That goes on there like that. Not too snappy. Gotta put these little drills on. Not so hard. Yes, sure. Self-explanatory, but helps to have the instruction manual. Drill bits. We got that. Yes, sure. I'll just follow the instruction manual. This is not too clear. This doesn't tab in that well. Wonder what that's about. I believe that goes on like that. How does this go? I believe that goes there like that. I believe that goes like that. Two blasters on the sides there. Almost done here. I believe this goes over here. Yeah, that goes there. These don't tab in so securely. Oh, that clicked. Yeah. Mutant module, yo. foot claw, they call this. Got it. And we are done, y'all. Mutant module, silly little toy. Yeah. Exhaust tubes. Yes, y'all. It looks like I'm finished. Too bad this thrusters don't sit more secure. That's all. That's all the contents, y'all. That is the kind of like a cheap little Technodrome Mutant module drill. Yes, y'all. I gotta put the stickers on, which I'll do later. I'm not gonna do that right now. And that's all for that. Yeah. This is the Mutant module. Yes, y'all. I don't have the retro line anymore. I gave that away. Here we have a Raphael. Here we got a foot soldier in the Mutant module. Yes, y'all. What do you think of that, guys? You gonna get that? It's pretty cool. Yeah, nice little toy. We also got G.I. Joe Firefighter. Let's unseal that. Yes, y'all. Take out our Firefighter. Yes, y'all. This is our Firefighter, G.I. Joe Firefighter. And we got our Firefighter. Gotta see where all these parts go. He's got a hose, all these accessories. Got his helmet. Got his helmet on. Got me a G.I. Joe Firefighter. Yes, y'all. That rocks. Got a cloth. Neato. Got a cloth blanket, firefighting blanket. Wow, I don't even know what these accessories do. Got a lot of axes and hammers. It's got goggles also. Yeah. Yes, y'all. It's like a gun kind of thing. On his backpack we got We got that. Yeah, so mask, not going to use that. Goggles, too late to put that on. Yeah. That's his weapon. I gotta check out the other videos to see that, to see what this extra accessories are about. Yes. So that's the Firefighter now, in the G.I. Joe. Yeah. So that is my quick unboxing. That's today's haul, y'all. G.I. Joe, Ninja Turtles. Here we got barbecue. We got the parachuter. Yes, y'all. Stick G.I. Joe with the G.I. Joes. Yes, y'all. G.I. Joe Firefighter, y'all. The Stinger with the missile. Get some bikes. Yes, so I wanted to go over the Mutant module with you guys. There it is, straight out the box, unboxing. Not much to it. That's all the stuff there is. Just gotta put the stickers on there. Yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the likes. That video like 2 days ago got like 33 likes. Amazing. Yes, y'all. You guys are making this awesome. Thank you so much.